see you do this right. We need proof. Get the dog out here.
I don't know, I'll go right away.
Oh. There, now you keep it from spinning. Bring it down a little bit. Not any closer to me. Or my computer. Oh, it's on the floor. Hold on. Oh.
Go get it.
Yeah, I will. If you don't. Where is it?
Doing good.
You got it. It's gonna run out of battery soon. There it goes. Fall into the floor. Nope.
Oh, excuse me.
Where is it going?
I think it's run out of battery
It might be.
already.
Oh, it's not funny when I drive it into her head, but she drives it into her own head. It's funny.
Yeah, because at least I'm expecting it to come so I can whack it out of the way.
Let me
When
try
you
it. Let me
when
try
you
it.
do it, it just I'm not paying attention to it. You gotta just
Make
you,
it off the
you gotta
table.
just go for it. Just full power.
The battery's dead. Stop. Stop, Abigail.
Yeah, it's not me. Oh, jeez.
Where'd it go?
The battery dies quick.
The battery's on. You got to trim it,
Oh
Kate.
God.
Get the trim
Oh,
button.
What's
God.
the trim button?
Lay it on the side.
I'm going down.
She's
You're
going
done.
down.
The battery's dead.
Coming back up.
Oh, okay.
You're good.
Now you got it.
There you
Now
go.
you got
Oh,
it.
here we go.
Now you, now center somewhere. Oh shit. Trim.
Trim
that shit.
Trim it.
You better trim it up, son.
Went the wrong way.
Keep it tight, boy. Trim it up. It's getting crazy.